Surgical video recording systems are an important tool for many organizations studying healthcare. A surgical video recording system can be used to record and live stream video presentations. In many cases, surgical video recording systems need to display details on large screens for students and teachers to view. At the same time, it's common to record video from one or more cameras during a surgical procedure to use for educational purposes. In this video, we will demonstrate a surgical video recording system which can display video for students in an on-site location, but also in the classroom across campus. The system is also able to record multiple cameras at the same time, along with a master channel that focuses on what the instructor chooses. The system will also demonstrate PTZ cameras, which will allow instructors the ability to zoom into specific areas of interest. This surgical video recording system is designed with vmix, a Windows-based video recording and production software. You can find computer recommendations for a variety of system configurations available from vmix on their reference systems page. The system shown here features a single PTZOptics 12x USB camera connected to a Windows computer running vmix. This is great for a mobile cart application. It uses an uninterrupted power supply, which allows the system to be totally mobile. For manual control of the camera, a HuddleCam HD Gen 3 joystick controller is connected for PTZ joystick control. This simple one-camera system is ideal for moving from one location to another to record a variety of video applications. For permanently installed areas such as a classroom, the next design features 3 PTZOptics SDI cameras connected directly to a video production computer using SDI cabling. It's also possible to use NDI PTZOptics cameras and run all the video over your network. The amount of cameras necessary to set up a system like this can change, depending on the room type. Each PTZ camera can be used to zoom in to specific areas of interest to show detailed video during your surgical recordings. Because this system is used for educational purposes, an NDI decoder is used to take the output from vmix over the network and display it via HDMI on a monitor in the classroom. Additional NDI decoders can be added to the system on your network to display video anywhere you would like. In some cases, it may be ideal to have a vmix system operator to switch between the camera views and record the video on behalf of the instructor or doctor performing the surgery. But in this use case, we want to show you how voice controls can optimize the workflow and allow the doctor to make simple commands to operate the cameras. Voice control inside of vmix works by selecting a microphone that you'd like to use to send voice commands with. In this case, we would recommend a wireless microphone for the doctor to use. The wireless microphone should be connected to the computer for vmix to access. Ideally, the doctor can use a few voice commands that are easy to remember to switch between cameras and change the focus of their presentation. For example, one voice command can be used to zoom in the main camera. Another voice command can be used to zoom the camera into a specific area of the surgery. Handy voice commands can be used to start recording, stop recording, and other simple hand-free tasks to make the job of the instructor easier. You can learn more about the technical implementation of vmix shortcuts and voice commands in a document that we've prepared at ptzoptics.com/voice control. This surgical video recording system checks off a lot of must-have boxes for modern educational and healthcare institutions. The increasing need for educational video and instructional technology makes video systems like this a critical tool for many organizations. We hope that was helpful overview of some of the various options for building surgical video recording systems with some of the latest audiovisual technology. In the link below, those diagrams that we showed are downloadable, so you can use them as templates as you think about what you're going to design for your next healthcare or educational audiovisual system. So look for the links below, and we'll talk to you soon.